Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp update. To fix issue with a WhatsApp update, you can try the following steps. First, you update your WhatsApp. Go to the Play Store and the top search icon, tap on that and look out for the WhatsApp. And make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed in your device. Sometimes updating the app can resolve the related to previous updates. If we couldn't see any update option, then remember that it's up to date. But if the option is showing you the update, you can simply tap on that option. Or you could also try restarting your device. Restarting your phone can sometimes resolve temporary glitches and issue with apps including WhatsApp. Or also check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. WhatsApp requires an active internet connection to work properly. Also try clear cache. In order to do that, press the WhatsApp app like this, go to the app information, select storage and cache, and in the bottom there's a clear cache option. Simply tap on that and go back. And if none of the above steps work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. This can resolve many apps related issue. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.